In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app. Now click on this button at the bottom left corner to start recording. As you can see, Recorder is on. If you want to pause or unpause your recording, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. Now you can play your recording by tapping on it on the left and using play button at the bottom. You can also use all of those options by clicking on them. If you want to rename your recording, just hold it, click on rename at the bottom and type in wherever you want to in the pop-up. Then hit OK. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it again, but this time choose delete option at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!